There was once a poor fisherman who threw his net into the sea every morning, but always pulled it back empty. People laughed at him, saying, "Your sea is empty, old man." But he only smiled and said, "One day, the sea will remember me." Every day, he gave some of his little food to the hungry birds that circled above him. Sometimes, he caught nothing for days, yet never cursed the ocean. One morning, a great storm hit the coast. The waves roared like angry beasts. The fisherman saw another boat sinking in the storm, a young boy crying for help. Without thinking, the old man jumped into the sea and pulled the boy to safety. When he returned, the pot was full of water, as if nature had blessed him. He sat quietly and whispered, "At least the sea took nothing I can't rebuild." The next morning, as the storm cleared, hundreds of fish floated near the shore. The fisherman's empty nets were now full, more than he had ever dreamed. The young boy he saved came running with his father, the rich merchant of the village. They rebuilt the fisherman's hut stronger than before and gifted him a new boat. Years later, people still said, "The sea blessed the man who never stopped believing." The fisherman saw another boat sinking in the storm, a young boy crying for help. Moral: when you do good without expecting anything, life finds its way to reward you, sometimes through the same waves that once tested you. Thank you for watching. Never stop believing in good. Subscribe for more inspiring stories.